Hello, everybody. My name is Uzair, and thanks for being with me today, either live or watching this recording. What tool are you using for keyword research? So, this is a spreadsheet which I created for myself and our business, which we use for ourselves. I will put up a link in a few days where you can download it for free and get started with setting up your campaigns like this. On an upcoming live, can you go in more depth on the step prior to this, how to do the keyword research? So Richard, what I do is I just go in here and download the keyword ideas. So you don't need to make things extremely complicated. You've got the whole list in here. I've got 400 keywords. You know what? People don't even use 30, 40, let alone 400. And I'm sorting out these 400 because I'm not doing all the heavy lifting. The spreadsheet is doing it for me. And I can easily sort out my... So what I'll do in tomorrow's session is take this number of ad groups and write ads in front of you, and you will see all of these will be utilized and the ads will be extremely targeted. I'm not going to write just 2 ads for all of these keywords. Each ad group will have its own keyword ads with that keyword in the headline, description, and in the path 1 and path 2. So the keyword will be in 3 different places in the ad, which will make it extremely relevant to our keyword. Hence, your quality score is absolutely going to go high. And when somebody sees your ad and they see that if they were looking for budget wedding photography, and then the first headline it says, budget wedding photography or photographer, it is more likely to get the click than your competitors.